Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm with my patient Kelly today. And today we're going to be doing Dysport. Kelly's a little bit interesting because in the past she's been treated with Botox, and so what's happening is she's not getting quite the longevity we would like a patient to be getting out of the product. So we're going to switch to Dysport. Both products are fantastic. They're equally as effective. They're just patient dependent. So the hope is that with her how she metabolizes the product, that the Dysport will give her an appropriate length of time. So let me just grab this. I'll get you all cleaned off. So first we'll treat her glabella area, and that's the area also known as the 11s. And so you'll see this is what creates the 11 lines, and we're going to be treating the corrugators over both eyebrows, as well as the procerus muscle that pulls down and creates part of the junction with the lines. All right, so go ahead and frown again. Perfect. So Botox and Dysport, they're both the same toxin, so they're both onabotulism toxin A. How they differ is when they're chemically compounded, Dysport is made as a smaller molecule, and so in theory it's able to kick in a little bit sooner and it's able to last longer because of the smaller size, so it can get in through the muscles easier by absorption. I think standard across the board, it definitely kicks in sooner, in 3 to 4 days versus the Botox, which is 7 to 10 days. But I think with the longevity, it's very patient dependent, and so some metabolize Botox better and get a little bit longer out of that product, and some vice versa with the Dysport. So I think both products are fantastic, and it just depends on which one the patient handles better. No downtime in terms that you won't feel well or there'll be any period of time that you're kind of in pain or anything like that. The only downtime is for 24 hours. I would say I would have you not do any vigorous exercise, any type of facials, things that could move the product around before it's completely absorbed. And last, we will treat your ocularis muscle. All right, so I'm going to smile really big. Good, and relax. And with the crow's feet, you'll notice you see little kind of bumps or blebs of fluid right under the skin, and that's important. You want to see those because you know that the ocularis muscle is a very superficial muscle, so you just need to go right under the skin so you know if you can see that product that you're right in the correct plane. So you'll notice that with this, it will kick in sooner. So typically, you probably had to wait about a week for full results with Botox, and this will be kicked in. You'll probably even start to feel something in 48 hours. So way quicker.